Hi everyone, my name is Isabella Mendez and I'm going to show you all the city trains, cars, and the Sodor Express. The box trains, the Sodor Mail, the freight cars, the Thomas attached to him. Here are my one vehicle cars. The red one, the red car, and the green helper car. Now we're gonna go to the trains. Thomas, black train, red train, blue train, tired Percy, new Percy, and here are my vehicle cars on the rails. Red car, orange car, twin orange car, and the big red car. Now, here we are going with the big ones. James, Thomas, Diesel, Rosie. Here are my water diggies. Captain. Here are my railway. Clarabelle,